The National Learning Centers, they're a way of attracting researchers to the parks and ultimately increase the amount of research happening in our national parks.
There are a total of 13 learning centers across the nation. Here at Point Reyes National Seashore, we have the Pacific Coast Science and Learning Center, and there are many researchers who would like to do work in a place like a national park. At the Continental Divide Research and Learning Center, there are many projects going on. One of the things that they've been involved in is restoration of a ranch called the McGraw Ranch, and over $2 million has been brought in for the restoration of this ranch. As with many of the other learning centers, the McGraw Ranch will provide housing for researchers and office space for them to do that work. The Appalachian Highlands Science Learning Center was the first learning center in the National Park Service. And one thing they have going on is they're in particular looking at how ozone impacts different plant species. So they have researchers doing that, but then they have students working with those researchers and doing the same types of things to get the widest amount of information possible that they can come across.
The Ocean Alaska Science and Learning Center is a strong partnership between the Alaska Sea Life Center, Kenai Fjords National Park, and 11 other coastal national park sites in Alaska.
National Park Learning Centers exist to connect researchers to the resources that have been set aside. This network of learning centers across the country is making a difference as science-based management becomes a tool of choice in preserving these nationally significant places into the future.